Well, I'm here with the Mimar, however the heck you say that. Haven't gotten the cage off yet, but I did a little cleaning here on the bottom, the base here. Got a lot of the dirt and stuff off. You can now see the numbers 1, 2, 3. Narad comb. I don't know what those stickers are. I don't think they're original. I haven't found any kind of badge yet on the fan. Tells you what it is. The material under the base is gross. That's all going to have to be done. This probably has to be knocked off of here. Yeah, we'll find all that out. So the next thing will be get the grill off and try to get the blades off. Just doing some cleaning, really. I'm not making a lot of progress yet. Let me turn it around for you. Yeah. So again, here's the Mimar. Got a lot of the junk out of it, off of it. You know, little paint splatters and a little bit of surface rust. Cleaned off the motor housing a little bit. Just had a lot of dust and sediment on it. Here's your little oil. Let me see if I can show you a little. Hello. Hey, mate. Hey, what's that? How you doing, mate? I'll tell you what. Anyway, you know, that's how you do that. This ain't got kind of a show, I'll tell you what. So, oscillate works, but I'm hitting the cord in certain places, the head wire, so that's going to have to be addressed as far as getting that stuff out of its own way. And what was the other thing? I'm not sure where I am in the rotation. I have it facing forward. I was going to shoot a video for you. I was going to turn it around so it faces the correct way, but it won't even run. It's hitting the head wire as well. I think it's been in this position for a long time. So I'm just going to leave it. The other thing with facing it forward, when I turned it around the other way, it was really just not leaning correctly. It really feels like it's leaning forward, and I'm unable to free up this adjuster. Okay, if we look at the adjustment knob, we can see some evidence of people you know, having tried wrenches and things. It's a little marred up because this is totally stuck, and it's obviously been a problem for a while. So for now, I'm just gonna leave it the way it is. I'm not gonna mess with it. Yeah, I think the trick is keeping it from hitting the wire here. I do think that these are possibly the original wires on the fan. This is a cloth. It's pretty stiff, so that'll need to be dealt with at some point. And then this is a rubber. You can see it's a little craggly there, but it's been okay for us to test the fan. If we turn him, we see that it's also got some cloth in there. So this could also be original, although not in the best condition. There's a grommet there. It's hard to say. It doesn't really matter. We're going to set it all right at some point anyway. So when we get ready to put a new cord, possibly a new head wire, it'll be interesting to see what's underneath this base. I think the base is pressed together. What's interesting is that I don't know if it matters, but these, you know, this part of the base comes off. You can see your screws on either side. So getting that away from this might make it easier to deal with when, you know, dealing with it. But it's still going to be connected to the head wire. So anyway, yeah. You know, like I was saying before, I'm not real familiar with oscillating and desk fans, so this one will be a big time learning curve, just even mechanically. So we'll see. The base will be interesting. You know, if you have to beat on it and mar it up to get that off of there and replace the felt, then you have to repaint it. So the question is, can you do the work without making it worse? You know, that's all. So yeah, I didn't run it, but so there's no running fan in this video. That's kind of a drag, but you know, it's a nice fan. I like it. Somebody said Torrington blades, and that the motor is GE. I don't know, but it's pretty cool. So thanks for watching. There you go, Mimar. Woo!